Subscribe to Grazia and press on the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Alaya F and I'm shooting for the November issue of Grazia India. It's actually a lazy beauty hack for me. I take a normal razor, like the one that you use on your body, and I shape my eyebrows with that. It's a very dangerous thing I do. It's gonna come and bite me one day when my eyebrow gets shaved off. But for now, it's going well. Good light, natural light is the best. The angle that suits your face best is different for everyone, so whatever suits you best, and just some killer confidence. Water and sleep. All the time. Beauty cupboard, from my mother's clothes, everything. There'll be so many times where she has these kits that she takes with her, and there'll be a foundation missing or like a blush missing, and she'll be like, you need to tell me when you take my stuff so I can at least replace it. So yeah, a lot. More than I should. The main thing, and I speak from experience, is no one's actually talking about you as much as you think they are. So as long as you just carry yourself with great confidence, I think everything will be A1 okay, because I feel like a lot of the time we project our insecurities onto other people. So like if I'm feeling really bloated one day or my skin is feeling a certain way, I'll be so extra conscious of it. I'll draw more attention to it. I'll believe if I'm walking past someone, they're talking about it. No one's really actually talking about you. Just be confident, own it, and you'll shine.